awry. The day I was born was the day the world collapsed. Those that survived had to make new lives underground. Up above, there was nothing but ash and cold and death. People thought it would last forever, but without us up there, life returned. I was 6 years old the first time I saw the sun. Mom and Dad were heartbroken by what they saw. The world they'd known gone forever. But not me. I'd never seen anything so perfect. We weren't the only ones who'd survived, and slowly but surely, our little community grew. It wasn't always easy, but for a time, there was peace and prosperity. A new home, a new life, a new normal. But like all things in this world, it was too good to last. The Highwaymen came from the east, led by a pair of sisters, twins. Said they'd heard about our little paradise. Said they wanted it for themselves. We never stood a chance. They took everything from us, our food, our homes, our people. We needed a miracle, and that's when we heard the name Thomas Rush. He and his captain had been up and down the West Coast helping folks like us rebuild, and they were on a train headed right through Hope County. Mom sent me to find them, convince them to help us take our home back. They were our last hope, our salvation. But it all went horribly wrong.
Captain, you're alive! Jesus! They're heading this way. Get up, Captain! Come on, get up! What's the fucking Highwaymen? They're gonna kill us! Get up, Captain, get up!
Jesus, Barnes, keep screaming like that, you're gonna bring them all down on us.
Rush, you're alive!
Help me!
No, we have no time, we gotta go!
Barnes, we are not leaving the captain behind. They're coming fast. We need to stick together. Understood? Cap, your time to shine. We need to get armed, we need to get our people, and we need you to find a way out of here.
I know, easier said than done.
One step at a time, Barnes. You lead, we'll follow.
Oh my God, I thought it was dead.
Need to find the armory wagon. Gear up. Save as many people as we can. This way, Barnes. Stick with the captain.
We should cut our losses and run.
We'll be fine. More to be said.
I knew coming to Hope County was a bad idea. Stay close, Barnes.
Up with the captain. You're all right. Hang in there. Not done yet. Stay together. Keep looking. Should be usable stuff in all this
Wreckage, keep an eye out. See if you can string something
useful together.
Are you two problem makers?
Problem what? I don't understand.
That was close. Thanks, Cap. The highwayman came out of nowhere.
Are you fucking problem makers?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What's that? This isn't over until I'm in the ground. They're killing everyone. So many dead. Everyone else is dead. This is very dangerous. Those highways will be back any moment. Better find the armory wagon and get better weapons. Don't be foolish. We need to run.
What's going on?
Captain, you're alive. You're gonna finish. Us off if we don't find what. Highwaymen wrecked the entire train. How the fuck did they manage to take out an entire train? They're all screwed. The highwaymen are finished.
Let's keep moving. We gotta save these people.
The sooner we find everyone, the better. My God. The highwaymen are everywhere. I really think we should get out of here. Stay calm. Gotta keep going.
There's gotta be more.
Come in here like this.
How did these assholes get so much good shit when we're done in Hope County? That's the armory car. Shitheads are broke. I wish we could get a train like this in. I want a bigger gun.
I really think we should get out of here.
These highwaymen are out of control.
Get the first meat ready for the twins! Rush! Rush, it's Carmina! Rush, if you're alive, head to the river. You can follow the river to Hope County.
Carmina's alive. You heard the lady. Let's get to the river. Captain, Barnes, everyone on me. This storm's getting bad. I've got sand in my eyes, and there's highwaymen everywhere. Fight through it, friends. We're not done. Get to the river. Watch out! Barnes!
Fingers off those triggers. Let's see what they want.
Well, Merry fucking Christmas, everybody. Santa delivered a whole damn train full of presents.
What do we have here?
Rabbits.
Ooh. I gotta ask you rabbits a question. The fuck you think was gonna happen?
Riding in on a giant hunk of iron, just clouds of black smoke.
You think we wouldn't notice?
What do you want?
Barnes.
We want to know if you're problem solvers or problem makers.
What?
Our pops always told us that people either solve problems or make problems.
The world's got too many fucking problems.
And we're looking for people to help solve problems. Our problems. if you're a problem solver, we got you covered. Food, clothes, guns. Anything you need. Even health insurance. But if you make problems, well, Pops taught us what to do with problem makers.
Problem makers need to be solved.
Old man solved a shit ton of problems in his day.
Yeah.
Hell yeah!
So, rabbits. Are you all problem solvers or problem makers?
We solve problems. We've been solving problems all over this country.
Barnes.
We can give you fresh water, build shelters. We can get you anything you need.
Barnes, shut up!
You can build all that?
Well, I'm not me. But Rush here.
Well, then you are gonna be our #1 problem solver.
Go fuck yourself.
Okay.
You done? So, let's try this again. You gonna help solve problems for us, Mr. Rush? Okay.
Save yourself!
Hey, wake up, wake up. I recognize you from the train. You're captain of security, right? I'm Carmina. Oh my god, I saw you hit the water and I was able to pull you out before you drowned, but... near as I can tell, I think we're the only ones who got away. Come on. Okay. We have to be careful. The twins, they took off with Rush, but a lot of the highwaymen, they stuck around. Okay, we have to get back to Hope County. My mom, she'll know what to do. Come on. Hello, mister. Come on, we just need to follow the river to get to Hope County. I can't believe what happened. They must have seen the train coming. I should have known better. Those fucking twins, Nikki and Lou. The first time I saw them was when they came to our house. Said it was their house now, and we could either leave willingly or they'd burn it down with us inside. My dad tried to fight, so they took him. Then they took the house. My mom and I were forced to start over on our own. We weren't their only victims. But my mom managed to bring survivors together, and we all tried to build a place where we'd be safe. There's a tunnel up there that leads to Hope County. The highwaymen are blocking our way in. We're gonna need some firepower. Let's keep moving. told Nine when I left to get help. There's a workbench inside. You can use it to build a weapon. Rush was supposed to be the final piece so that we could finally fight back. But now, we're worse off than we were before. I'm sorry about your people. I promise I'll figure out a way to make this right. There's that workbench I told you about. Rush said you were resourceful, so let's build something. You can use benches like this to build makeshift weapons and refill ammo. Take a look at what weapons we can craft. Yeah, we need more resources. We're gonna have to poke around and scare some up. Hey, remember to look up high, too. Sometimes you have to break something to look behind you. Go ahead and break the lock. That should do it. Let's haul this stuff back to the workbench. I want to see what you can slap together. Holy shit, is that some kind of saw launcher? That's amazing. Man, those highwaymen are in for it now. Now we're ready to attack the bridge.
Shut up, I'm busy. We're supposed to be guards.
Gotta count my lucky stars.
I hear you. I owe you one.
We're gonna make him into soup!
Enemies over there! All right.
The way's clear. There's the tunnel up ahead. Let's go home. I've been through worse. You can craft a medical kit with that.
Come on, we're almost there. There it is. Home. I hope Mom is okay.
Carmina! Oh, thank God. I was so worried.
Mom.
Kids, go back inside. I'll be right there. What's wrong?
There is a whole train full of people to help us. But the highwaymen, the twins, they took Rush. Everyone else was killed.
Oh my God.
It was terrible.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I never should have gone out there, Mom.
Oh, honey.
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. I don't know.
I mean, no one's coming to help us. We're on our own. It's just us.
Shh. Let's get you both inside. You can tell me the whole story.
Thank you for bringing her home. All right, guys. You know how to handle a gun. You know your way around this valley better than anybody.
So?
So? Sitting around moping isn't doing any good. Look, Rush was supposed to help us build someplace safe. Now, it's up to us. There are brave people here scattered around. We just have to find them.
Bring everyone together. Show them we can stand up to the Highwaymen. Mom, it's not gonna be easy.
I know. But it's our only choice.
He would come back, let alone with help.
Hey, mister.
Hi there.
I'd like to talk about something.
Working my ass off here, but it feels worth it.
So, this is it. Home. Mom's right. The two of us can work together to build this place back up. Anytime you need a hand, give me a call. I'll come fight by your side, Cap. You don't mind if I call you Cap, right? Captain of Security just sounds, well, a little formal. Listen, you have been put through the ringer. If you want to freshen up with a change of clothes before we get started, there's some stuff over there. You should probably talk to Mom. She'll give you the rundown on what we can do for Prosperity.
Whatever else happens, I'm glad Carmina made it back.
So much work to do. How will we ever get Prosperity into some kind of shape? I've got some things to tell you.
Those masked fucks are bleeding me dry.
My name is Kim.
I barely feed
I
myself.
guess you could say I
before
run
they
things
showed
around
up.
here. I know you've already been through a lot, Captain. But the truth is, we need all the help we can get. And at the moment, you're it. We thought your people on that train were gonna give us an edge. We were all gonna work together to grow things, make things. We were gonna fight back against the twins. But all of that is gone now. So, it's up to us. Got a lot of work to do. Let me show you how things work around here.
Working my ass off here.
This is Prosperity. If we're gonna have a fighting chance against the Highwaymen, The first thing we've got to do is get this place up and running. We have several facilities to make Prosperity thrive. These are the places where you can craft weapons and vehicles, cultivate plants for health, and many other things.
But it feels worth it.
This is Hope County. In order to get the most out of our facilities, we need ethanol to upgrade them. Your map shows the Highwaymen outposts, where they store the ethanol they stole from us. Secure these locations to get what we need. And here's where you can find specialists. People with the expertise to really give us a fighting chance against the twins. Bring them home, and they'll make Prosperity and you stronger. But without Thomas Rush, none of this is gonna work. He's built up settlements before, and without his knowledge, we won't be able to take Prosperity to the next level. Lately, the twins are sending a lot of prisoners to their coal mine. I'd start looking there. So that's it. We rescue Rush, find people who can run the facilities, and bring them enough ethanol to maximize what we can craft. If you can help us, we'll do everything we can to help you.
You got horseshoes up your ass for surviving that crash.
I say, huh?
Hey, Dwayne.
Can't believe you made it out of that crash.
Hello.
Whatever else happened.
So you come in with Carmina.
Wake unto me, starlight and dewdrops are waiting for me.
Honestly, didn't think Carmina would come back, let alone...
Heard Wade Fowler plan to start up a new Fang Center at the old church down the way. Rumor has it he met a tragic end, but there might be supplies you could recover.
Looks like we got our work cut out for us.
People that didn't go through the collapse don't understand.
Okay, I'm in.
Can we talk, please? Oh, thank goodness. You're so nice. I'm Bean, creator of Wikibeania. You know, your one-stop shop for maps and intel. Wikibeania, just the tips. But here's the rub. Wikibeania is in danger. My key assets are all gone. Intel, maps, you name it. And now my business plan is missing too. But I know who gave me the shaft. My employee, Richard. He's got a real bad gambling habit, always playing crazy eights with those highwaymen and losing his pants. He must have hidden the plan somewhere for safekeeping, else they just take it from him. They're not very nice, or respectful. His usual gambling place isn't far from here. If you spook him, he'll run and lead you right to his hidey hole. I'm sure of it. I'd go, but I've got bad knees. And lungs. And eyes. Anyway, please get my business plan back. If you reach around my back now, I'll reach around yours later. That's a Wikibeania promise.
Cap's going to help us make a difference here. That's for sure.
The highway have chapters all over the country, and every now and then they send supply drops to help each other out. If you see a plane, it's likely one of theirs. It's always a race to see who can claim the drop first, and it's always a fight.
Moving to a better spot.
Everybody who comes to Prosperity helps me get better.
Heads up! I'm switching spots.
Let me survive this.
My gun! Oh,
I need help! Please, someone help!
Some kind of pervert?
Surprise, asshole.
Don't pick on someone with clothes on!
Help me! Oh God, please help!
This is the worst day of my life! If you're not gonna kill me, then what the fuck?
Help me! Oh God, please help! Please don't hurt me. I'm obviously unarmed. I need help. Please, someone help! Just hear what I gotta say, please. Look, okay, yes, I lost my clothes in a game of cards. Ha ha ha. I have a problem, all right? I didn't mean for things to get this bad. I was one of Bean's scouts, and I thought that since the highwaymen travel so much, they'd be a good source of information. They said they'd play me for it, and before I knew it, I'd gambled away all of Bean's assets. The only things I had left to offer were the clothes off my back and Bean's business plan. The plan's in my secret stash, in a little bunker just over the hill there. I promise, I'll never gamble again. Oh, Christ! Please help me!
I gotta move. Careful, there's trouble over there. I'm heading that way.
Hey, Cap. Fighting the highwaymen is no walk in the park. If you ever find yourself outgunned, you can craft better weapons with the resources you find in Hope County. And remember, the folks in Prosperity are here to help in any way they can. We won't let you down. Keep an eye out for scouts. They've always got intel on what's happening in Hope County. Whether it's an outpost, buried treasure, or a new ally in our fight, they'll always update your map with the location of something worth your while. Hello? Oh gosh, is that how my voice sounds? Shh, over. Wait, no, not over. I wanted to tell you I had to relocate, but by my estimate, I'm closer to where you ought to be. Head, south, I think? You'll find me. I know you will.
Oh no!
Hiya.
Good luck not pissing off the twins more.
Oh yeah. I can listen to this all day.
We all know the flood's gonna come.
Let's ride.
Build that. Stop now.
trouble than they're worth.
There's just no end to these guys!
I'm hurt bad!
You! I got you!
Hello! Oh, hello there! I'd clap for joy, but my daddy always said that was for clowns and babies, and I'm neither. Remember I mentioned the reach around your back? Well, I'm gonna set up Wikibeania HQ in Prosperity starting now! I got scouts collecting hot tips, and I'll get maps again, and, well, you'll see. With my business plan, Wikibeania will go global! Just like Daddy always talked about how it was before. Everyone will help us and give us donations. It'll be great! I'll see you at Prosperity soon, right? Right. I can't wait! Well, have a nice time until then.
That was too close.
Keeping up with your career, Cap. I'm optimistic.